Welcome to the DoubleACS Daily News. Over the last month, hospitals both locally and across the country have seen an increase in cases of the coronavirus. Sturdy Memorial Hospital Senior Vice President for Medical Affairs Dr. Brian Patel spoke to us about what he's seeing at the hospital.
I'm Dr. Brian Patel. I'm the Senior Vice President of Medical Affairs, the Chief Medical Officer and Chief Quality Officer here at Sturdy Health, and talk to you a little bit today about the coronavirus pandemic. As everyone knows, there's been a lot of changes over the last few months in terms of rules and regulations around keeping everybody safe with COVID-19, and for a while we've had a significant decrease in the number of cases. Over the past month or so, we've started noticing an increase in cases both locally at the state level and throughout the country. But thankfully, while there have been increases in cases, the severity of the cases have not been increasing significantly. We have had some more hospitalizations than we've had previously, but again, the patients that are being hospitalized continue to recover well. We've seen some minimal increase in deaths, but nothing significant by any means. And I think a lot of the reason behind the fact that there aren't more severe cases and more deaths related to this is directly related to vaccination against COVID-19 and the amount of immunity we have circulating now because we've been dealing with this virus for the past 3 years. I think we will continue to see episodes of the coronavirus go up and down throughout years as different variants circulate. I think that as we ended the masking requirements back in May, that certainly does contribute as people are out more, they're together more in larger volumes, larger groups. We have more large concerts, things like that happening, all of which cause people to be closer together and does increase the risk of spreading the virus somewhat more. And we anticipate that we'll see some of this increase, especially as school starts, as the weather gets cooler and people move more indoors because they will be closer together. But hopefully, even if we do see an increase in the fall and winter, again, we hope to not see a significant increase in severity or deaths related to the coronavirus. We continue to offer vaccination through our practices. We are planning currently in the planning stages for some clinics in the fall, especially around the flu vaccine. We also will be planning on having a community event in October, on October 21st, called Connecting Our Community, and there'll be lots of different public health booths and sort of things to talk about related to healthcare around the work we're doing. You can always go to sturdyhealth.org to get any sort of current updates on the services that we offer here at Sturdy Health and any events, public events that are happening. Our Facebook page as well as our LinkedIn pages also highlight the different events that are upcoming and also highlight any important health-related information that you may need. As it relates to the COVID-19, you certainly should always go to the CDC website that provides the most up-to-date information on ways to keep yourself safe, your community safe, statistics around COVID-19, and any changes in health-related measures around COVID-19 or vaccination related to COVID-19. Do everything you can to keep yourself safe because they're around you safe. So please get vaccinated against influenza. Please get vaccinated against COVID-19. We do anticipate a new vaccine coming out in September or October around COVID-19, and we encourage everybody to get vaccinated for that to keep yourself safe through the winter season.